Good evening, guys. We have a special show tonight. The reason why it's special is because it is my host's birthday. So I want to wish him a very happy birthday. Happy birthday, Red. So, for celebratory times, we're going to be shotgunning this Pabst Blue Ribbon. But we're going to add some spicy V8, and we're going to add some of this Cholula hot sauce. This stuff's not super hot, but I just figured I'd do this video because this is something that most people could tolerate. It's not like some of my ghost pepper hot sauces. So first off, make sure you have a paper towel because this could definitely get a little messy here. So, we're gonna give this a go. And just find your top. Make sure you always, so that, crack it just a little bit. Okay. It's a little foamy. I got this is a little warm. So I'm just gonna poke a little hole in it. Again, like I said, this is messy and it's not your average shotgun video because you're also adding hot sauce to it and the V8 juice. So add a good amount right in there. And then take your V8 juice. Just pour that right in. Take right up and go right from the top. Cheers. Happy birthday, Red, and make sure that you like, share, and subscribe our page. We're gonna, with this warmer weather coming, we're gonna be doing much more in-depth reviews, and we're gonna go to some hop farms and things like that. You guys have a good night.